So this is our mad experiment. We put hot water just out of the tap in the cup and a little chunk of dry ice. And now it's making carbon dioxide and mixing with the water and just making water vapor. That's why it falls down, because it's a little bit heavier than the air. So it looks like a mad science experiment. Ooh, crazy! Caleb, is it pretty cool?
Mm-hmm. Pretty cool. Very pretty cool. You can even touch the smoke.
Yep.
Say don't.
No, he's not hurting anything.
Just don't put it in the water.
That's deep enough.
Hey, can I try? Yeah, just don't touch it.
That's deep enough, Caleb.
It's like smoky. Touch the smoke.
Now, just be careful, don't knock the glass over.
Yeah. Can I do an experiment real quick?
What kind of experiment do you want to
I
do?
wanted to see if I put a dry ice cube in there and then put an M&M in there and see if it can destroy or crack the M&M.
Go ahead, get an M&M, throw it in there. That's a good, what's your hypothesis? What do you think is going to happen?
I think it's going to crack or break.
Okay. Well, get one quick, throw it in there. I don't think it's going to change it. Isaiah, don't run after anymore. I don't think it's going to change it. Whoop, what happened? Is it doing anything in there?
No.
No change? Because the water is still warm. Feel the glass. See, the water is still warm. Even though that thing is bubbling in there, it's not super, super, super cold.
Wait a second. I think I see something crack. I see a crack on it. I saw a little faint crack.
Oh, you guys are silly. Alright, well, I'm going to let this... look at the color of the water. The color of the water is changing. It's kind of going brown.
No, kind of
with the it's hard to see the color change on the camera.
It's actually destroying it.
I don't know if it'll focus on that. The bubbles are coming right off of that thing.
It's destroying it, Daddy.
Well, I think what's more so happened to that M&M probably is just the water is eating the coating. But that was you had a scientific thing you wanted to try. John, want to see it? Hey, come on down. Okay, well, so here we are back with another batch. Caleb, sit on your tushy, please. I don't want you falling off the chair. Caleb just put a big chunk in there. We got new hot water. So here we're going to add a little bit of soap to catch. Now that's like 4 or 5 tiny dribbles of soap just to catch those bubbles. And if you break them, it lets out the vapor. Not heat, cold.
Can I see?
Oh, careful, knucklehead.
Let me see. It's so weird. Okay.
It just lets out the water vapor that's trapped in there.
Can you please stop this? Okay, let me see.
And actually, if you feel them, the bubbles are warm.
Yeah.
Because the water is still warm in there. Here, wipe your hands. Alright.
What if I touch that?
I told you, you cannot touch dry ice. It's so cold, it'll instantly kill your skin. It's almost like a burn, but it's cold.
Do you want to go back upstairs with Mommy? Because I think she's alone.
Hey, stop. Both of you are getting a little too crazy now. Alright, utensils down. Utensils down. Don't put your hand in the glass. You can pop them outside of the glass. And I didn't even get full drops of soap in there. That's just such a tiny bit of soap.